In a magical night forest, where glowing plants lit the way, lived curious Lama. She discovered a seed shimmering with a gentle, mysterious light. A soft whisper, unseen yet clearer, guided her. Plant this seed. With a hopeful heart, Lama understood. She sought a place for a new life. She found a quiet, barren patch. With tiny paws, she dug a small hole. The glowing seed was nestled in the earth. Lama sat, patiently waiting. Days turned into nights, and still nothing appeared. Yet hope remained. Then a tiny sprout emerged, glowing softly. It grew, transforming the darkness. The forest awakened, bathed in the plant's brilliant glow. A world reborn. Lama smiled, her heart full. Beautiful things truly grow with patience and magic.